Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Chase Freedom Card account online. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and the bell icon. Now to log into your Chase Freedom Card account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, and I have already opened the Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in chase.com and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Chase login on the self and hit enter, and you can see the sign-in page of Chase over here. And this is the direct sign-in page of Chase, whereas on the first tab we are on the home page of Chase. Now to log into your Chase Freedom Card over here, click on sign in over here on the right side of the screen. Go there and you'll be directed to the sign-in page of Chase over here, like this one. Since we are signing into the same Chase Freedom Card, let's close on all these and let's get this page load. Now to log into your Chase Freedom Card account over here, enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here which you had registered on Chase at the time of creating your account, and after that simply click on sign into your login to Chase Freedom Card account from over here. Or if you've forgotten your username or password, simply click on over here where it says the forgot username / password to go to your procedure to your Chase username or password. Or if you have not yet created an account on Chase and applied for the awesome cards provided by Chase into Freedom, click on sign up now, and then you'll be able to sign up for the Chase and apply for the awesome cards. And so guys, this is how you log into your Chase Freedom Card. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.